Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to show all of your points on the map screen, because by default FieldGenius will hide them to make things a little easier to work on. And what I have done is, you can see here on the map screen that when I click on point 5, it actually shows up that there's a whole bunch of points around point 5, but I don't see them directly on the map screen, and that's because they are being hidden. So if I want to see all of these points, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plumb bob in the bottom left corner and go to my settings menu. Now within the settings menu here, I'm going to click on interface, and I'm going to disable the thin out point name labels option. And if I return to my survey screen here, and I'm just going to quickly zoom in and out to refresh my screen, you can see here that I now can see all of those points. It's quite a bit more cluttered and makes it hard to see which one is which, but I now have access to all of those points visually on the map screen. And for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you enable the ability to see all of your data on the map screen. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out. It helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.